Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed the first two sessions of our RE lessons. Let's remember what we've talked about. In the first session we talked about something called the Ascension. That was when we found out about Jesus meeting with his disciples after he'd come back to life, and then they watched as he went back to heaven. Do you remember what happened next? We found out about Pentecost. This is what the disciples had been told to wait for. Jesus sent the Holy Spirit to them, and it looked like they had flames on their heads, and they were able to speak different languages. So, what are we going to learn about this week? Do you like fruit? I wonder what your favourite fruit is. This bowl of fruit looks yummy, doesn't it? Which one would you like? Well, we're going to learn about some fruit this week, but not fruit like this. Remember the story of Pentecost, where the Holy Spirit came down on the Christians? Well, Christians believe that God, the Holy Spirit, works in them to make them more like Jesus. They believe that the Holy Spirit helps them to grow certain qualities which are called the fruits of the Spirit. This is a verse from the Bible, from a book called Galatians, and it says, "The fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control." Those are the things that the Holy Spirit works in them to produce. There are 9 qualities that are called fruits of the Spirit. Let's say them together. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, gentleness, faithfulness, self-control. We're going to play a game. See if you can tell which one of these is missing on the next screen. Which one is missing? That's right, it's patience. Which one is missing now? Yes, goodness is the missing one. Which one is missing this time? Did you get it? Yes, it's love that's missing. Which one is missing? That's right, it's peace. Which one is missing now? The missing one was self-control. Christians believe that the Holy Spirit makes people more like Jesus by growing these things in them. A bit like fruit grows, so can people grow in love and joy and peace and patience. We'll learn more about each of these qualities over the next few weeks, but see if you can remember them. Listen carefully for your tasks. If you're in reception, can you draw a picture of lots of different types of fruit? Think about the fruits of the Spirit as you draw each one. If you're in Year 1 and Year 2, draw 9 pieces of fruit and put one of the fruits of the Spirit on each one. So you might draw a banana and write the word joy on it. Then you might draw an apple and write goodness on it. Write fruits of the Spirit across the top of your page as a title.